Yeah, train, Lola. Choo choo. Oh, moo cow's having a rest there, look. Lovely scenery up there. Oh, let's all get up, having a feed. Are you tired?
Good of your tea.
And it flies down.
Now I'll check these up and see if I can find them that belong to the mud ones now.
Lovely washing, isn't it? Lovely washing, isn't it? Isn't it, Lola? Isn't it lovely washing?
Well, we've certainly got it all dried. It's been lovely.
Eh?
Best washing day of the year, isn't it?
Lovely washing, Lola.
Who's a big girl?
Oh, she don't like that.
Oh, she likes. Thinks it's an echo.
She likes that, yeah.
Oat that's new, she likes. Oat that's new.
Well, she can get older.